Step 2, virtual data room. Step 2, step 2 virtual. An important overlook step to before you get started. Have used content and content in that place include NBD, a virtual data room provider. After all of important and sensitive information you will be hosted at their platform. It's virtual have legally ensure that your data will be safe. That this should be simple step to data room provider. You will often have a standard to contact ready to sign. All you need to your legal team to go through, suggest and negotiate any charge of. If you need step 3, create admin account. One account rule by admin. Use of course you create your master administration account, keeping in mind you gave the final word. Everything that happen the platform only admin can do, such add documents, set rules, set user permission, grant access to file share, give admin powers to others. The limitless power comes great with responsible to keep anyone is yield that forget being unique powerful password. If password 123 please, it's a joke that computer less than 1 second to break. Instant aim is a challenge to anyone would info enable to two-factor verification. It's a virtual data extra and authorize the code will send personal. Structure the virtual data room. Structure of virtual data room. Organize your virtual data room to almost